The greatest leaps in human history were forged from industrial transformation. Industrial revolutions changed the way we live, work, and communicate, creating economic opportunity, improving standards of living, reimagining what is possible in government, education, healthcare, and commerce. The first came by steam and water. The second was powered by electricity. The third with the computer age. And it is happening again. This is the fourth industrial revolution, of scope and speed never seen before. Connecting people, machines, and systems. Creating intelligent networks. Blurring the lines between physical and virtual. There is no stopping it. We must embrace it. Harness its power to drive progress. And claim our stake in what the future will look like. Welcome to Industry 4.0. Welcome to Industries Excellence Global.